Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the app and giving it permission. Install Google Find My Device on your iPhone, then sign in with the Google account tied to the missing device. Once done, allow location access and background app refresh so the service can query device location. Make sure notifications are allowed so you see alerts. Now open the app and confirm the account name at the top. This ensures you're searching the correct Google identity before asking the service to locate the phone. You'll now request a location and choose an action. Tap the device listed and press locate to ping it. The map will show the last known position and accuracy circle. If you're nearby, use play sound to make the phone ring even if silent. If it's lost in public, choose secure device to lock the phone and leave a recovery message. As a last resort, use erase to wipe data. Make decisions based on timestamp and accuracy so you don't rush into irreversible steps. Finish by confirming the action you initiated completed successfully in the app. The status updates when the device comes online. If the device doesn't show a location, make sure you use the correct Google account, that location and Find My Device were enabled on the target phone, and that the phone has battery and network. If the app times out, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. If you suspect theft, preserve timestamps, contact local police, and provide the device details from the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.